Good morning. It's not quite 7, but today is the day we're going to bake all the things. I may or may not put them in these tins though, but it was a, convenient little introductory image. It's day 16 of Vlogmas. It's sock time. What do we have in store? Wait. Okay, so these aren't exactly the same, but they're very similar to the reindeer ones I already had. Interesting. Well, now it's Funko time. Day 16. Above it. Don't know what's in there. Finally, it's Festive Donald, and he does not stand up. Bless his little heart. But it is Festive Donald. It's about time. Now we need Festive Goofy and Festive Daisy, and we still need Winnie the Pooh. But this is pretty cute. 16 of the Woobles. Bring this down here. So you have blue yarn, yellow and red yarn, and we are making a tiny nutcracker hat. Oh my gosh. That is a cute little accessory. Finally, for this morning, the Body Shop calendar. I'm being really thorough to make sure I don't see the number before I move on. 16 is what we're looking for. Here it is. Eek. That is challenging. Many of our partners, let's move it to the light. Many of our partners are women living in rural areas with limited economic opportunities. Our trade helps support them and act as a force for good. Eek. Some kind of tube. Let's see. Vitamin C Glow Boosting Moisturizer. I do love a glow boost. I'm tired. So it's 7 o'clock and I have about 10 different kinds of Christmas cookies that I'm going to make, like in 2 batches. I'm not going to make them. I'm still asleep. I'm making 2 batches of each. These are going to be my gifts for my coworkers. I'm possibly going to give some to my cousins for Christmas. We'll see. Mostly it's my coworkers. But I really don't have anywhere to freeze them to make them keep that long. So I probably won't give them to my cousins this year. They're getting something else. But I love Christmas baking. I love the idea of it more than the execution. And so I always think, I always have like these really lofty goals that I do not meet. But I'm going to try that today. Today, I think, did I already say it's almost 7? I do not get enough sleep. But my body just absolutely will not sleep past like 6:15-ish most days. Because I get up so early, I think, during the work week. And then it's just hard for me to readjust and realign to where I sleep in. So right now I'm just gonna wake up and, of course, drink my coffee, as you know, and probably play some Animal Crossing on this Saturday morning. I'm really surprised that I do not feel worse today. I have a mild headache. I mentioned in a previous, I think, Vlogmas, I'm not really a drinker anymore, and I did want to have like my first alcoholic beverage in a safe space. So my first alcoholic beverage post-surgery. And so I figured with my sister here at home, this would be a good opportunity. I shouldn't really be drinking for like another month, but I did it and I survived. And I probably won't drink again. Maybe New Year's, we'll see. So anyway, that's what's going on right now. And I'm just going to try to wake up. I have a lot I really need to accomplish this weekend. We'll see. And Ellie and I have a big activity tomorrow. So I'm just going to kind of take it one step at a time. And we'll see how it goes. So the cookie bake-a-thon is about to commence. I will share all the recipes in the comments. The first thing I'm going to make are one of my Christmas staples. They are toffee bars. So I will show you what goes in that. So I'm going to switch over to the camera from the phone for a number of reasons. One, because I have a tripod. Two, because the sound quality will be better. I would think the image quality would be better, but I'm pretty blurry right now. So, and also my phone keeps running out of room. And did I say I have a tripod? So there's that. So I'm gonna switch over to the camera. So for these, we're gonna have brown sugar, egg, salt, vanilla, milk chocolate chips, and flour. I think that's it. They're pretty simple and straightforward. Oh, and butter. It just was on a different part of the counter. So I'm making 2 batches of everything. So I'm doubling the recipe. And then also you will spray 2 9x12, 9x13 pans. I think these are both 9x13. So first we're going to mix together the softened butter, brown sugar, vanilla, and egg yolk. And I did soften the butter up a little bit in the microwave. So I hand measure my salt, about 2 teaspoons. And then we're going to put in 4 cups of flour. So we're going to combine the flour and salt into this creamed sugar mixture, which I probably should have used the mixer for, but I didn't. I did it by hand. Weird flex, I know. Okay, so that mixture's been pressed between these 2 pans, and it makes like this light, buttery, heavenly goodness. That's the base of these bars, and then you top it with the milk chocolate chips afterwards. And so you let the milk chocolate chips just melt on top of there after they've been baked. And I'm not sure how long these even go in for, but I'm gonna put them in and set the timer. Meanwhile, while those are baking, we're going to make what are called white tinglings, which have the almond bark, chow mein noodles, and peanuts. Super simple. So I'm going to start by melting the almond bark, then we're going to mix in the chow mein and the peanuts, and then put them on wax paper and let them cool. Okay, so this is melted. You want to stir it the whole time it's on the stove. And I'm actually going to add some sprinkles to make them a little more festive. The toffee bars are out of the oven, so I'm going to put the milk chocolate chips on top. And I've been adding sprinkles to the tops of the tinglings, a name I hate, because the ones I put in the pan melted a little bit. I didn't think they would, but they did. So I'm doing something I've never done before, and browning butter for some brown sugar cookies. It's still melting, but it's like making some crazy noises. I have it over medium-high heat as the recipe requires. I'm supposed to swirl it every now and then until it browns. So this dough has been chilling in the fridge for actually more than 30 minutes, but now I'm going to actually put the cookies in the oven. While those are baking, I'm putting the toffee bars away, so that's what they look like when they're done. And I'll put a layer of wax paper and stack them in here. And here are the brown sugar cookies. I still have a bunch more to bake, but that is the beginning couple of batches. Meanwhile, this is how I bagged up the little tingling things, for my coworkers. Okay, it's day 16 of the Advent calendar. And I'm pretty sure this is another dinky decker. Nope, it's another fudge. Nope, don't like it. Go calendar time. I think that's the original theme song. We're finally looking for day 16. Here she is. Ow. And it is a vanilla cocoa, which I think I did try. Whoa, can't see that very well. So I will try that again sometime, just not today probably. And here's day 16 of the Cricut calendar. I'm feeling a sneaking suspicion that it's a washi. And it is the blue that actually goes with these stickers, the torn edges. So that's number 5. So I'm gonna just add that to the collection. So it's about 7. Oh, it's almost 8. I made 3 of the 10 cookies. I think I mentioned this earlier. Like, I always have lofty goals when it comes to Christmas baking. But I made 3. So there's that. And I have not edited yesterday's vlog yet. It's almost 8 o'clock at night. And then my plan is tomorrow to make 2 more of the cookies. And then Ellie and I are leaving around 1-ish to go to Arlington. And if you're not familiar with North Texas geography, Arlington is a smaller city between Fort Worth and Dallas, but it is also where the Texas Rangers are and where the Dallas Cowboys are. So there's a lot of sports and entertainment going on in Arlington. And anyway, so that is my hope, is to get 2 more of them done tomorrow. I didn't love the brown sugar cookies, and I think they were great. I had like a bite of one, but I'm also like super over sweets. I've had a lot of sugar the past couple of days, and so I'm just not feeling it. But we ordered tortillas for dinner. I was thinking about this a lot today, like come January, I really want to get like on a regular cooking schedule, and we've been ordering out a lot, just pretty much since I moved in. But anyway, I had a chicken fajita taco and it was sublime. Their chicken fajita tacos are so good. And I've read a lot today and just kind of had like a kind of a chill day other than the baking and cleaning up of the kitchen. But I'm gonna go edit the video now. Oh, I've been watching Sister Wives. That man just makes me more and more angry, like every episode. He's just such a narcissist. He's so full of himself. I don't even know how to organize my thoughts about that. But anyway, I'm gonna go do the Cricut calendar and edit last night's video, and then I'm gonna shower and go to bed. I'm sure I won't go to sleep anytime soon, but I just have so much to do, and Christmas is just over a week away. It's a week from Monday. It's a week from Monday. My shopping is pretty much done. I do need to get one more thing for my aunt and uncle, and I need to get one more thing for Ellie, and I need to do stockings. Because in our family, Santa does not do stockings. We do the stockings. I'm just really tired. I did not get much sleep last night. I was up way too early. I just don't understand it. I'm like, why won't my body let me sleep past like 6:30? I think it's more my brain. My brain won't let me sleep past like 6:30, 7. So, and I can't tomorrow because I really need to do laundry and get ready for the week, in addition to baking and getting ready to go on this little mini adventure with Ellie. So anyway, I'm just talking a lot. Gonna get into the video. Gonna do the Cricut calendar. Don't think I'm gonna diamond art tonight. I just don't think I have the attention span for it. And I really wanted to get my space like organized and stuff in there, but that didn't happen today either. I started to. Also, I got another Stitch Fix, and I'm trying to decide what to do about it. I don't know. I need to like actually try this stuff on. I haven't tried it on, other than this one sweater. It's kind of like a cardigan, but this is going to be it for Stitch Fix for a while. In fact, I may just like put my account on hold because I don't need to buy any more clothes. The one thing that I got really excited about though was that they did send a pair of jeans, and my jeans that fit me now that I have are really old, like over 10 years old, and I don't love them. And these look like they're nice and long. I haven't tried them on, but they're, you know, current. They're not like 2010 jeans. So, and beyond this, I don't really have anything in the next size down. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. It just, I mean, that is the one downside of weight loss, is especially when you're losing weight pretty rapidly. Though I'm in kind of another stall right now, but my clothes still seem to be getting bigger, even though my weight's not going down. It's just the ridiculous amount of money that you waste on clothes that you're going to be able to wear for a hot minute and then won't be able to wear again. I'm hoping the sweaters that I've gotten from Stitch Fix are going to get me kind of through the winter. Though some of them are too big now. I have showered. I uploaded yesterday's video, and I showed you the Cricut Advent Calendar. So my checklist is complete for today. I just really want to get a good night's sleep because my sleeping has been awful. So I'm probably going to go to sleep very shortly. But thank you for watching today. I know it wasn't super exciting. We did some baking. But please comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.